Hi students, welcome to our e-Vidya. Students, we all are human beings and the other living things and non-living things are present in our a beautiful planet that is Earth. We know that, okay? But do you ever think students, how we can live, how a plant can live on this earth? We know also that we will for breathing we take air from the environment. So not only our human beings but also the all planet also and plants and some other living animals also they take air for breathing or for their life from the environment. Okay students, so today we are going to discuss about that air, okay, and how it is covered to our whole planet, and we will discuss more fact about our planet along with that air. Okay, so let's start students. So that's why it is called nature's miracles. Okay, so nature is our first of all our planet is a miracles for us. Okay, everything according to our suitable, everything are available here. Okay, so to take air, to take food, whatever we need in your life to live, so everything you will find in this planet only. Okay, among 8 planets in solar system, the planet Earth is the most beautiful planet because life can exist in this planet, and not only our lives but also the all living organisms lives along with other non-living things also available here. Okay, so let's start students. Our planet is called Earth. Planet is also called student, that is Goldilocks. That means Goldilocks means a planet because conditions are just right, like a baby's bears, porridge and chair and bed. Okay, so the earth is different from all planets in the solar system because it has water in liquid form and atmosphere which is rich in oxygen. Student, you think we all the human beings, plants, animals will take oxygen from the air? Okay, because here rich amount of oxygen is available in this atmosphere, so we can take, but it is not, oxygen is not are available in other planet. The other planets, some smaller and some are the bigger, do not have conditions that can support life. There is no atmosphere, no temperature is either too hot or too cold, but water is absent in its liquid state. Okay, so we can say our earth is a miracle planet, or we can say very beautiful planet to the our lives. Okay, so to understand this atmosphere, we will discuss about a little information about atmosphere. So students, before going to discuss about our air, we will discuss about first the atmosphere which covered our earth. Okay, how we are covering our body with the help of dress like this. We will study how the atmosphere covered our planet earth. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air. Okay, a layer of air is covered. For example student, I will tell you, if it is the planet earth, what earth, in around the planet a layer is covered. Okay, a layer is covered that planet, that is called air. Okay, or gases, different gases are there called atmosphere. That air is called atmosphere. Understood student? Atmosphere. Imagine earth like a orange. Just look at this picture. You just think earth is a orange and this is the peel of the orange. Okay, when you will wrap around the orange, you will get the, when you will wrap the peel, you will get the orange inside. Like this you think, if you will wrap, if you will remove the atmosphere or air, we will get our planet earth. Okay, that means student, where we are living in land, that is our orange, and where air is, that upper part is layer is called our peel. Okay, orange peel. Protect the orange, just peel, protect the orange, how a peel protect the orange. Like this, the atmosphere also protect the us, or along with that our planet Earth. Clear? So how you think the surface of the earth is natural for a human man, home of man, but it is actually the atmosphere surrounded it which makes his home livable. Okay, livable, because here only the sphere, or it is only the planet where life can support here, life can exist here only. Okay, we cannot live in different other planet like earth. So now we will discuss about that layer where is there, that layer of atmosphere or that layer of air which is there covered our planet earth. We will discuss how it is and which type of layer is there. Okay, the atmosphere is divided into 5 main layers based on their characteristics such as temperature and composition. Okay, that layer are how many? 5 types of layer are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lives. It is our earth. Okay, it is 1, it is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this way there are some part we divided according to their characteristic and their composition. First layer we will discuss which will connect with our land surface. Okay, that is called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, student. Okay, this is, you can say, troposphere where life can exist, we are living, we are making, building different houses. After the stratosphere where plane, that part, it is a layer where the plane will be fly in this layer, and after some distance ozone layer is there. After that mesosphere where rain will come, and then thermosphere, north lighting, and then exosphere where our different satellites will send. Okay, so we will discuss one by one, students. So let's start. Troposphere. This is the layer where we live. It contains most of the air in the atmosphere. The clouds are formed in this layer and wind carry and clouds over the earth's surface. The weather condition happen in this layer. As we move higher in this layer, the temperature drops and air becomes thinner, and that's why people who climb the mountains carry oxygen and cylinder with them. Okay, in this layer life can exist, and here the clouds are formed in this layer only, troposphere, and how much we will go up, the air will be become thin and we need oxygen. So troposphere you can see here, student, it is from ground to 15 kilometer. Okay, it is from ground to, means from our house to 15 kilometer, it is troposphere is there. Then stratosphere, students, then the stratosphere in this layer where the jet plane will be fly, jet plane. Stratosphere, this is the next layer of the troposphere. Here there is air is much thinner, long distance jet aircraft fly in this lower part, okay, of this layer, as there is hardly any air resistance. High speed winds called jet streams blow in this layer, and aircrafts take advantages of this. The temperature around the minus 60 degrees Celsius centigrade, but it gets a little warm at the top as this layer meets the mesosphere. Okay, why? In this layer it is nothing, student. In this layer, the stratosphere layer, the plane will be fly because of blowing of air also is there. So it will help to jet stream blow this layer, and it will take aircraft advantages. Okay. So aircraft will take advantage of this layer. And another interesting fact is it feels somewhat warm because it is connected to the upper layer, mesosphere. Okay, so figure you can see, student, here. Another interesting fact is there, student, among these gases present in the stratosphere, there is a gas called ozone. You can see this layer, student, there is a ozone layer in stratosphere. This absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays, that is called UV rays. Okay, it is trapped or absorbed from the ultraviolet rays which are coming from the sun. It is the most protective shield. It is protect like a shield. Okay, you know, in this corona crisis, some of the A doctor and who are the policemen and traffic police, they are wear a protective shield on their head. So like this our ozone layer also protect us like a protective shield. But our action are making holes in this layer. Too much exposure to the UV rays can causes skin cancer. The gases used in refrigerator and ACs and some spray cans are called chlorofluorocarbon, which causes the damage of ozone layer. Okay, ozone layer is helping our student from our UV rays which are coming from the sunlight, but there is because of our bad behavior and bad lifestyle, we are going to destroy this layer. That means we are using different refrigerators and ACs and other spray which causes the damage of ozone layer. Clear student? Then these gases are non-poisonous and do not catch fire easily, but they are very harmful in other way. It is this there are causing holes in the ozone layer. Clear students? You can see it is a ozone layer. Okay, the whole light which coming from the sun, it will protect from sun. Okay, then we will go for the mesosphere. The figure you can see here, when meteors enter the earth atmosphere, they heat up and glow because they move so fast. They appear like shooting stars. Most meteors burn off the atmosphere much before they reach the ground. Why, student? Meteors means some rocks which are coming from our universe. It will come very much fast. With crossing the different gases and water, it catches fire. Okay, and after that it will be glow very gigantly, so that it looks like shooting star. So mesosphere, student, you can see here is the middle layer of the atmosphere. Here the temperature keeps on decreasing as the altitude increases. It is the coldest of the atmospheric layer. This is where shooting star blaze. Okay, you can see here mesosphere. This is called mesosphere. Then we will go for next layer, that is called thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere has hardly any air as few molecules of gas are widely scattered. The temperature rises as the height increases. At the top of the temperature can be reached above 1000 degrees centigrade. Here, because the atmosphere is so thin, the few oxygen molecules present directly absorb the energy from the sun's ray. So the temperature rises rapidly, or making this hottest layer in the atmosphere. Okay, so thermosphere you can see here, students, when the gaseous particles in the earth atmosphere collide with the electrical charged particles released by the sun's atmosphere. Okay, the northern sky is lit up with spectacular colors. This phenomenon is called northern light. Then we will go for next layer, that is called exosphere. On July 14, 2015, the New Horizons probe flew above the surface of Pluto. This is the first time a spacecraft has reached that far into the space. Exosphere, students, where we send different satellites to our space, which move around our Earth planet. Okay, and it will give information about our planet Earth along with other information also. Clear? The last layer, that is exosphere. Exo means exist. The exosphere exists blends into the space. Artificially satellites move around this layer. Okay, students, so this is whole about our atmosphere. The atmosphere have some different layers. First one is troposphere, then stratosphere, then mesosphere, then thermosphere, then exosphere. So every sphere has a specific region. Okay, and we live our life in troposphere only, and ozone layer which protect us from UV rays which coming from our sunlight. Clear students? So this is little information I gave you. So thank you students. Take care.